In this video, I will be cleaning surgical instruments. I have taken all the bloody instruments from the surgery pack and placed them in water to soak. Now I am rinsing off excess blood, and I will scrub away the blood that stuck on there. And then once that's done, I place it in the ultrasonic scaler. And then once the ultrasonic scaler is gone for about 10 minutes, we'll take them out and then spray them down with surgical milk. And you'll see that in this video. The ultrasonic scaler is filled with distilled water only, and it will have some detergent in there made specifically for the ultrasonic scaler to help loosen the debris from the instrument. And I just arrange them on a towel and spray them down the joints with the surgical milk. We'll let those sit for a little while and dry before we wrap them in the surgical pack. And once the ones that are in ultrasonic cleaner are done, we'll take them out and do the same thing.